So today's the day. My explosion bus billboard is up. The only one that was available was out a ways from where I live, so yeah, so we're just gonna take a little road trip and go see. My radio's broken. That's okay. I hear music in my head. Hey, sexy lady, oh, 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 but Gangnam Style. Sha la 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 da la la da. Got about 20 more miles. We are a blessed economy with tons of money filtering through our government budget. Why are there still gravel roads? I'm lost. Oh, there it is. Okay, I gotta turn around. Oh, it looks so good. Ah, there it is. Yay! Oh my gosh, it's so cool and bright and vibrant. Did I spell explosion bus right? Okay, I did. So cool. I'm just gonna sit here and look at it for a while. I went to the billboard company and asked them if they had any open billboards, and they had this one, and it was like, I don't know, like $2,000 a month, and I'm like, whoa, can't afford that. And he was all like, well, hey, if you'd be willing to let me take a couple of pictures of you for my website, I'll give it to you for $200. And I was all like, sweet. So I took some pictures. They're not bad, just weird, but it was worth it. Hope they don't come back to bite me in the butt later.
I believe it is inevitable, but so is professional baseball. But it doesn't mean we have to sit through 9 innings of climate change.
Let me just say amen to that.
Mana mana do 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 do. Mana mana do 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 do. Mana mana do 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 do.